Now in numbers, let's continue and talk about the standard form. The standard form in general is when I write the numbers in this form. A times 10 to the power of k, provided that A is a number that lies between 1 and less than 10, and k is an integer. Let's see what we are talking about. If I have my number, which is 5 millions, let's say. 5 millions, I want to write it in standard form. The first thing that I have to check is the decimal point. I will be having the decimal point to be in here, and after it I will have the 0. I will move the decimal point to the left until it reaches to the 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this number in standard form would be 5.0 times 10 to the power of 6. Why it's 6? Because I moved the decimal point 6 places to the left. And now, because the 5 is originally a big number, the power of the 10 is positive. Let's see another example in here. If I have 0.0123 and I want to write it in decimal form, the first thing, I have to move the decimal point. So I have an integer on the left. So I move it 1, 2 decimal places. And my number would be 1.23 times 10 to the power of negative 2, because I moved the decimal point 2 digits to the right. Now, let's have an example. Write down the following numbers in standard form. The first number is 50,236.59 and the other is a very small number. Now let's write them. Let's start by the first number, part A. It is 50,236.59. Now, I have to move the decimal point to the left. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this number is equal to 5.02365 times 10 to the power of 4, because I moved the decimal points 4 places to the left. Now let's see the second number, part B. I have 0.401205. Now I will be moving the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 digits to the right. So my number would be 1.205 times 10 to the power of negative 5, because I moved the decimal point 5 places to the right. That's why I will be having the power to be negative. Now let's go and